Hey y'all, this is a review for the Fusion 5 rugged tablet PC. Fusion 5 sent this product over for us to do a review on, and let me tell you, we were all impressed. This company really thought of everything. There is even a rugged case that is included. You literally don't need to buy anything else to use this tablet. We have a ton of tablets, and I have never seen one that has a case like this and even a carrying strap. It is really very thoughtfully designed. Once charged using the included AC adapter, it comes to life with the press of a button. I love the little handle, and it also has a stand, and the entire thing rotates depending on if you want to go horizontal or vertical. This dust-proof case does a great job at protecting your ports. On top of the included power cord, they also have a Type-C if you would prefer to charge that way. This 10.1-inch tablet has a great touchscreen. It is extremely responsive and the colors are beautiful.